Kure idira ya boni mutamanate. Ya boni tila batengi kayena mumanati kete. Ya boni tila batengi kayena mumanati kete. Kuma kuma tengi ni tuba yo mwene mungiki kuma bayaya. Adina tudilanga. Ayaya manate. Ambumba kichona. Ambumba manate. Adina tudilanga. Abana badide. Koko dilanga. Ade bonerkia. Mone idila ya bone mutago kede. Mone idila ya bone mutago kede. Ayaya tukala ya ni bansugilanti magima. Ayaya tusala ya ni bansugilanti magima. Isana kitu sala lo tolo lo zambi bakwa tusozengima. Isana kitu sala lo tolo lo zambi bakwa tusozengima. Antolo geri ya. Ameberi ya. Abana kichona. Ambomba dilaga dilanga. Komeri dilide kichona. Ayaya. Bandagenu yamuna twatari kimambwe. Yemuru bandagenu yamuna twatari kimambwe. Ayaya tukara yani bansugilanti makweke. Ayaya tukara yani bansugilanti makweke. Katolo geri yaya. Komeri diride. Koko dilaga dilanga. Yalo dilaga dilanga. Abana kichona. Abetu manade. Kulukaya badidide. Ayaya. Basair badidide arepone.
Jolino, Babalino. C'est incomparable.
Mona idila ya bone mutago kede. Mona idila ya bone mutago kede. Ya bone tila batengi kayena magimbe kuka. Ya bone tila batengi kayena magimbe kuka. Antolo geri yaya. Bomba manate. Bomba dilaga dilanga. Koko dilaga dilanga. Komere dilaga dilanga. Abetu kitone. Kulukaya manati yaya. Aya boni.
Eti. Tala kuti. Tisa musakuti. Gema. Kuti. Tisa musakuti. Gema. Kuti. Tisa musakuti. Gema. Kuti. Tisa musakuti. Gema. Kuti. Tisa musakuti. Vete. Ege kutaka pesa vida. Como la coco. Jolido. Askari. Rametre. Osali kolo. Imamo patuwa kutrametre. Oh, mercere. La kilometre. Judas.
Ya bone kubela kona bebe zanilu kitia musala yaya. Ya bone kubela kutu kweta pasi akiani Maria ya. Ya bone tila bati kumburi kila kalu kichona Maria ya. Ya bone ayaya wende kutama kijangu Maria ya. Ya bone na wende kumburi kutama kichona mama.
Oh, grand maître incomparable, hein? Tout terrain. Ça m'a serré
Hello, welcome. Tuma ngizambote tutondere sitolonga ndinga Kikongo ndinga Congo lya totila ndinga gintinu kya Congo lya totila. Welcome, we're going to learn Kikongo. Kikongo is the language of Kongo Kingdom, spoken in Angola, the Republic of Gabon, the Republic of Congo, and the Republic Democratic of Congo. I'm repeating. The Democratic Republic of Congo and the Congo. Thank you very much. We have a sister, we miss her smile. She's in the background. Okay. Sister Rachel. Then we have for the first time a brave young lady, Tadiwa from Zimbabwe. Okay, welcome. Okay, let me just share my file. So we're going back to the. Let me just give me 1 minute. Where's my file? Yeah, here. Yeah, this is our first lesson. Lesson 1, section 1. Yes, I need to change my settings here. Okay. Can you see the screen, Tadiwa?
Yes, I can.
Oh, okay. Okay. Kiambote. Let me just try to. We okay. In this case, no. Kiambote means how
Mhm.
I.
Should I repeat?
Can you try to read Kiambote?
Kiambote.
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 Well done. Well done. Where's the next? Okay, here we are. I think uh, Sister Rachel will remember. You don't write double A, but we have this. It is a long vowel, so you don't read tata. We read tata. Mm, tata. Can you try to read after me, please? Tata.
Tata.
Tata. Again, please.
Ta-
Tata. Mm,
Tata.
thank you. Well done. Okay. We have a double E. It is a long vowel. You don't read nengwa. No. Nengwa. Take your time. Nengwa, please.
Nengwa.
Nengwa. Mm,
Neng-
Nengwa. Thank you. Mm. Elo. Elo. Yes. Mm.
Lo.
Elo.
E-
Mm. Elo. Thank you. Ingeta. Ingeta.
Ingeta.
Mm. Well done. Ve. Ve.
Ve.
Well done. Ve. I think the reason the author wrote double V is because it's V, yes, but like in Spanish, a bit mute. I mean, you see what I'm trying to say? You understand, Sister Rachel? It's V, but like in Spanish, not strong one, very light, not heavy. Mm. Yeah, Sister Rachel, so you know. Thank you. Okay, here we go again. We have two. We have a long vowel. Salakiambote. You need to take note because we don't write double letter. I mean, you don't write double A, but this is for the phonetic spelling, just to help us to read. We have two sala. I mean, two words. You write the same way, but the meaning is different. This is the long vowel. Sala is to stay. The short one, sala, mean to work. So make sure you you follow the pattern. I mean, you respect the long vowel to keep the meaning. Otherwise, you will lose the meaning. The word is going to lose its meaning. Can you try to read please after me? Salakiambote. Salakiambote.
Salakiambote.
Read them again, please.
Salakiambote.
Well done. Salakiambote. Okay, we have a double E. Long vowel as well. Wenda Kiambote. Wenda Kiambote, please.
Wenda Kiambote.
Wenda Kiambote. Well done. Okay. NU is plural. Remember Sala Kiambote singular here. Goodbye said. You need to remember this. Salakiambote, goodbye, said by a person living. Mm? Stay well. You living, you say stay well. Say Salakiambote. One person, a person living. Mm? Stay well. Then when the Kiambote, said by a person staying. Mm. This is singular. Here as well, something singular. But this is sala, but we have nu, meaning that many people, plural. Mm. No, I'm leaving. There are many people. It is there. You can read anyway. Sorry. Nusa Lakiambote, stay well to several people or a senior person. African, this African Wales. You saying bye to a senior person, you say Nusa Lakiambote. Can you try to read please? Nusa Lakiambote.
Nusa Mbote.
Nusa Lakiambote. Again, please.
Nusa Lakiambote.
Well done. Nusa Lakiambote. Let me check the next one. Okay, remember Wenda, one person. Here we have Nwenda. The NU is hidden. U is hidden. Remember the previous slide. Yes, Sister Rachel. The person leaving say Nusala Kiambote to people staying behind, but to people or to a senior, to many or one to a senior person. Nwenda Kiambote, where were we? Oh, sorry, I'm jumping. I think we're here. Yes. Nwenda Kiambote. Remember
Yes.
on Nusala Kiambote, we have a nu, NU, plural. But here, NU, because of W, NU is hidden. So, Nwenda Kiambote. Can you try to read, please?
Nwenda Kiambote.
Nwenda Kiambote. Well done. Nwenda Kiambote. Kediambuko. Long vowel. Kediambuko. It doesn't matter. Never mind. Can you try, please, Sister Tadiwa, please? Kediambuko. Kediambuko.
Kediambuko.
Again, please.
Kediambuko.
Well done. Kediambuko. Diambote. Diambote. Oh, the line is breaking. Diambote.
Diambote.
Well done. Yes, Diambote. Good, right. Away.
Away.
Away means my goodness. Away.
Away.
Okay, we have two words here. Ekumanki. The root word is kuma, K-U-M-A. Kuma means reason or the cause. Ekumanki. Ekumanki. Please.
Ekumanki.
Ekumanki. Again, please.
Ekumanki.
Kumanki, well done. Okay. Kewaukwe, is that right? Will sound more like Kewakwe. Uh, Here, ignore all extra A, ignore AU. That Kewa, you jump to Kwe. Don't worry about the AU because it will sound like Kewakwe. All this is just A. Oh, 1 minute, so I need to use my pen. Can you see this AU? Yes.
Yes.
Ignore those. Just use the first A, 1A. I mean, as you can see, it will sound like Kewakwe. Don't worry about the U. Just A. Then Kwe, Ko E, but this is one word. I mean, it sounds like one word. It is here anyway. Kewa Kwe. Can you try, please?
Kewakwe.
Oh, well done. Wow. Again, please. Kewa Kwe.
Kewakwe.
Wow. Well done. Thank you. Mm. Ah. Long vowel, Santuka. Be well brought up. Said to the person sneezing. Santuka.
San.
Santuka. Can you try
Sansuka.
again, please? Oh, the line is breaking.
Sansuka.
Well done, Santuka. Undoloka. Undoloka. Mm.
Ndolo.
Undoloka. You could read the Undoloka. That's my. Can you say both? Undoloka. Undoloka. We have issues with the line. Away over vele. Away over vele. Take your time. Don't rush. away, away over vele.
Wele.
Away over vele. Again, please.
Away ovovele.
Well done. What did you say? Okay. It is how that you spoke. What did you say? Okay. Kiwidiko. Once again, we have long vowel. Kiwidiko. Please.
Kiwidiko.
Well done. Kiwidiko. Okay. We have long vowel. Kumbu. Name. Ekumbwame. Ame here means mine. Mine, my. Ekumbwame, my name. Can you try to do it, please? Ekumbwame.
Kumbwame.
Ekumbwame. Remember E in Kikongo. Ekumbwame.
Enkumbamwe.
Kumbwame. Then you put your name. Wow, well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. You done well, you know. Well done, Tadiwa. Okay. Thank you, Sister Rachel in the background. Let me just say hello. Well done. Well done. Let me just say the people are watching you, Sister Tadiwa. You're on spotlight today. Let me see. Some people are commenting. Someone say, this in Portuguese. They mean eu falo bem a língua. I speak fluently Kikongo. He is from Kwilufuta, district of Kwilufuta. My language is Kikongo. Okay. Thank you very much, Sister Tadiwa.
You're welcome.
But I'm going to test you now. I think Sister Rachel knows the test. I'm going, you staying. What do you say to me? Okay, let me try to share quickly. I'm going, you staying. Sorry. The other around, I'm staying, you are going. I'm going, you are going, I'm staying. What do you say to me?
Sala Chianti.
Well done. Oh, thank you, Sarah. I've seen your notes. Okay. Wenda Giambote. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you, Sister Rachel in background. Okay, see you next time. Thank you. Bye.
Tutondele.
Tutonde. Well done, Tutonde. Well done. Let me see. Bye bye. Bye bye. Tutondele. Tutondele. Wow. See you. See you next Sunday. Bye.
Bye.
What's up, family? My name is Felicity, and welcome to Congo Talks 243. If this is your first time, I would really encourage you to subscribe just so you are notified when I post new videos. And for those of you, family, who have been here for a long time, welcome back. I am so glad you're still here. So today's video, I am going to just teach you guys a few phrases that you can say, a few religious phrases that you can say in Kikongo, okay? A lot of people are always asking me how to pray in Kikongo, how to say this in Kikongo. I'm not teaching you how to pray in this video, but I am just going to basically teach you a few words that you will hear in the religious context in the Kikongo language or the Kituba, okay? As I always say, I have a disclaimer. I am not a professional Kikongo teacher. The Kikongo that I teach you here is purely informal and it's experience-based. It's the Kikongo that I grew up with, and we call it Kituba. It is spoken on the western side of the DRC. So that is the Kikongo that I teach you on this channel. But before we go to all of that, I would like to invite you to subscribe to a YouTube channel. And this is something that I wouldn't do unless I think there's a really good reason for you to do so. I would like to invite you guys to subscribe to the YouTube channel of a brother. His name is Papi Orion.
Come and see wonderful guys here. This is just amazing, guys. And Congo's Kitoko. Congo is beautiful. Congo, my country, is known for many things. For history of